That's it. There is no other way to access the node in the single linked list. Whereas in the double linked list, whereas in the double linked list, whereas in the double linked list, in the double linked list we have three parts. The node will have the three parts. The first part is the previous node and the second part is the next node. Okay, so single linked list లో node లో ఎన్ని parts ఉన్నాయి మనకి two parts data and address but double linked list లో ఎన్ని parts ఉన్నాయి మనకి three parts so previous node next node but middle of the part is data actual data so we are going to store so in these cases we can move in both the direction we can move in the both the direction so forward direction as well as backward direction from node 1 to node 2 we can go to from node 2 to node 1 also we can move back to the list. So this is called as double linked list. This is called as double linked list. And one more linked list is available that is nothing but circular linked list. That is circular linked list. So circular linked list is nothing but single linked list. Nothing but single linked list. But what is the difference between single and circular is? What is the difference between single and circular is? The single linked list is not linked to the last one to the first one. So in the circular linked list, the last node again communicates with the first node. The last node again communicates with the first node. So this type of list is called as circular list. So meaning is only forward direction మాత్రమే ఉంటుంది. Node 1 to node 2, node 2 to node 3, node 3 to and directly node 1, but not node 3 to node 4, node 4 to node 2 like backward direction అంటూ ఉండదు. It is like single linked list but only one change in the last node is communicated with the first node directly. So that is what single linked list. Then what is about double linked list? Double circle list, we have the both the direction and as well as front to end to front. This is called as double circular list. So write down the note types of linked list. Write down the note types of linked list. Types of linked list. First one, single linked list. Single linked list. Second one, double linked list. Single linked list, double linked list. Third one, circular linked list. Third one, circular linked list. Third one, circular linked list, and fourth one, double circular linked list. Double circular linked list. First heading, single linked list. Single linked list. First one heading, single linked list. Single linked list has only single link. Single linked list has only single link. Single linked list has single link for the next node. Single linked list has single link for the next node. Next line. It has only forward direction. 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 So take the diagram. Take the diagram. Take the diagram. So next one, you don't need to write the state, address, and etc. Just to take the notes and direction. That's it. This is enough. Take the notes and direction. Enough. Next heading, double linked list. Double linked list. Double linked list. In double linked list, in double linked list, every node, every node has three parts. 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 One is previous, one is previous, one is previous, second one is data part, one is previous node address, second one is data part, third one is next node address. Third one is next node address. It has three part, previous node address, comma data part, and next node address. So take this highlighted diagram. Take this highlighted diagram. Next, circular linked list. Circular linked list. Circular linked list. Circular linked list. It is similar to linked list. It is similar to single linked list. It is similar to single linked list. It is similar to single linked list, but last node, last node is connected with first node in the list. Last node is connected with first node in the list. First node in the list. First node in the list. Take this diagram. Circular double linked list. Circular double linked list. Circular double linked list is complex data structure. Complex data structure. It is also called as complex data structures and full stop and right. It is also called as two-way linked list. Two-way linked list. Two-way linked list. Next slide. In this type of list, in this type of list, we have both direction. In this type of list, we have both directions within the bracket forward and backward. Within the bracket forward and back. Forward and back. Comma, comma. First node is linked with last node. First node is linked with last node. First node is linked with last node, as well as last node is linked with first. First node is linked with last node and as well as last node is linked with first. First node is linked with the last node and last node is linked with first. Both. So take this diagram. Right?